Hi guys, it's me, Meagan Hesham, and today I'm talking facial oil cleansing. Bedtime skin routine. So I've been having a lot of skin issues recently. It was so bad for about a year that I went to my naturopath and asked her, like, what can I do? Is it food, allergy, a hormonal thing? I'm still not quite sure what it is. We're doing some tests. We're trying to figure it out. But in the meantime, she gave me an amazing recommendation. As well as taking vitamin A and zinc, I am doing this oil cleansing on my face and it's going so well. I just wanted to share with you guys my nightly routine and how it's going. So as you can see, this is me with no makeup on. I still have a bit of redness here, but it's going away. And right away, within about 2 days, I noticed a big difference in my skin after starting this regimen that she told me about. All right, so I'm gonna be washing my face with you. I'll show you how I do it. All I'm using is olive oil and castor oil. And I've got rosehip oil. Okay, so these are the 3 oils I use nightly. So I start with the castor oil and the olive oil. You just need to put a little bit of the olive oil on your hand. Oops, I got a lot there. So I have the olive oil. Okay, this is hard for the camera. So I've got the olive oil on my hand. I put the castor oil on there, just a little drop. I put a little drop of the castor oil and a little more of the olive oil. I rub that all together and then I just put it on my face. Okay, so I massage it in. I give myself a little bit of like a minute-long massage here. So just circular motions, really waking up that skin. It's supposed to be great for you for rejuvenating your skin also, not just problems like I had. So I like to concentrate around where my fine lines are, my forehead and my eye lines there, my smile lines, and I just massage all that in. Do my neck. And then you just leave this oil mixture on your face for, well, as long as you can. I usually do like through everything else, through brushing my teeth, all that stuff. I leave it on. And it's a nice moisturizing treatment for your hands also. All right, so castor oil, you can do so much with castor oil. It's cleansing, it's everything. So I even bought some castor oil that I'll be doing a video about this castor oil too. It's just normal castor oil, but their selling point is eyelash, eyebrow, and hair serum. So they give you some applicators here to put on your eyelashes. And since the lockdown, I haven't got my eyelashes, my lash extensions done for a while. So I read that castor oil actually makes your lashes grow thicker and longer and better. I don't know, I thought I'd give it a try right now that I can't go anywhere and get my lashes done. So I have no fake lashes right now, which is scary. Anyway, so I've been applying castor oil to my lashes every night to see what would happen through this time. I'm still gonna go back to extensions. Who are we kidding? But just thought I'd see. So anyways, after you've let this sit for a while, you can gently wipe it off. I've even read that you can, because I did some research on this, I've even read that you can leave it on all night if you want. Anyways, I just wipe it off gently. And I grab my washcloth and I get it really hot water. You can also just wipe it off and follow up with the next step, but I like to get the water on. I just feel really greasy if I don't actually use water. So I get the nice hot water, I squeeze it out and I just put it on my face like this, steam it all out. I don't rub, okay. And then I give it a little gentle wipe, just gentle, not scrubbing, okay? Because if you have, my skin's irritated or sensitive or something, so if you have that issue, you don't want to be scrubbing at your face, right? So a nice gentle wipe. Then I get my rosehip oil, get a few drops of that, okay? And I just rub that, spread it all over my face. And that's the moisturizing part of it. Some rosehip oils smell really, really crazy. Like the one I was using earlier, whew, it has, I mean, I don't mind the smell that much, but I know my husband was like, woo, when I got into bed with it on. Yeah, the last rosehip oil I had smelled like super strong. It's just kind of like to me, it's kind of like a organic smell, like an earthy smell kind of. So it doesn't bother me that much, but it might bother some people. So that was the Cosmea. This one stunk a lot. This one I just got through Amazon. I ordered this one. Cleganic. I don't know if that's how you say that. This one doesn't smell much at all. It smells a bit like oil, but it doesn't smell like so earthy as the other one. So yeah, if you don't want a really, really strong smell when you're going to bed, then try this brand is probably better. Let me know. What do you do? What do you do when you go to bed? How do you wash your face? This is new to me. I mean, the oil washing, and a lot of people think, oh, well, see, I personally don't have very oily skin. I have quite dry skin, actually. So this is great for me. But people with oily skin do really well with oil washing as well, because I've read up. After my naturopath told me to do this, I read a lot of things about oil washing. And it says if you have oily skin, oil washing can be amazing because, I don't know, like 2 oils create a non-oily, I don't know. You read the stuff, but it says it's good for everyone. Oil brings out the impurities and it does a lot of good stuff. So try it out if you've never tried it. I definitely dare you to try it because for me, it's been wonderful. It's changed my skin. My skin was super dry and just red and inflamed and upset for almost a year. And now, although there's still some redness at times, it is like 1,000 times better, guys. So try the oil. You can use many different oils, I know. For me, I've been using the castor oil and olive oil mixture, and you can like play with that mixture. You can put a bit of castor oil, or you can put a lot. The oilier your skin, the more castor oil you want. And the drier your skin, the more olive oil you want. So I use quite a bit of olive oil and just a little bit of castor oil. So, and the rosehip oil seems really calming and awesome for my skin. So check it out, try it out. Let me know what oils you use. I mean, there's so many oils you can use for your face. Let me know what works for you. And I will be coming out soon with a review on the castor oil for eyelashes and hair and eyebrows or whatever. I have been massaging some castor oil into my scalp before bed too. We'll see, because I am trying to grow my hair thick and beautiful and lovely, because also I don't have hair extensions in right now either. Even though I do them, I just don't have them in right now through this coronavirus lockdown stuff. But I mean, like now I think through this lockdown is a great time to kind of focus on your natural beauty and just, I mean, some of us are forced to kind of, but even if you're not forced to, just like, you know, you're not going out, you don't need to put a ton of gunk on your face. You don't need to put fake everything everywhere. You know, try and work on what you got. Work on all your natural beauty. And like, I'm having fun with that. That's a really fun thing. Making my skin amazing, making my hair beautiful and shiny and healthy. And as long as it will go on its own, you know, my lashes, my nails, just everything's coming back to nature and getting, you know, glamorous naturally. All right, so until next time, I'll leave you with my oily face. It's been a little weird doing this whole YouTube video with no makeup, no fake lashes, no fake hair, and just like an oily face. But hope you enjoyed that, guys. This is me, au naturel. All right, talk soon, guys.